Lanet Bastyan, am I right?
Yes.
Okay,
Exactly.
for how long you stay here in Addis?
4.5 months.
Half months.
Oh, going on 5
How do you
months.
see Ethiopia?
It's the best place I've been to. It's the most interesting. It's the most welcoming. And it is very practical and straightforward. The weather is the best in the world, but we better not tell everybody or they'll all want to come here. I don't want to leave, but Ethiopia is always in my heart wherever I am. The book is Mesvene's words. He's a wonderful storyteller, a gripping storyteller in many languages. I found myself writing his words.
In Amharic or in English?
Oh, in English.
Okay.
I'm almost monolingual, sorry. So I wrote in English and wrote and wrote. The book turned itself into a book that we both wrote. I heard his nightmares. He does not scream and shout. Ethiopians do not scream and shout. They're quiet people. But I heard them again and again. I saw his pain. Most days, he did not complain. The nightmares and the pain are those of millions of Ethiopians, millions of Africans. So the story needed to be told. The West needs to hear. The West does not know. If it knows, it does not care. If it cares, it does not know. 1 billion people around the world speak English as an additional language. If the story is told in English, it will reach many people. The story needed to be told in any language. It will sound very beautiful in Amharic. We are working on that. Because yes.
Okay, Mesvene was a dream merchant once upon a time, I say. He was very ill. He's dreaming something. I say that pessimistic prognostication, just like that. He didn't know him himself, but you yourself with him. How was it? That as a dream, when you go somewhere as a midnight, and you woke up any time. What happened to him at that time? And how do you feel?
The dreams come after something bad, racism in another country. There's almost no racism here. I experience none that I know of. So they come after something bad. Much happens to diaspora that they do not speak of. You read about it in the suicide note that comes after many years that the police throw away because it's in a funny language, it's foreign. So those dreams come often after something bad that migrants, especially Africans, experience every day in my country. I'm very lucky to have been to a few places in Ethiopia, and I've met some extremely wise and wonderful people. So Lalibela, Aksum, Bardar, Tana Haik, Lake Tana, the island monasteries, Debre Libanos, Debre Zaid, and a wonderful Abate at Debre Libanos said, Ethiopia is the land of angels.
Thank you. Thank you.